Beyond the standard Gemini chat interface, Google offers a suite of specialized AI tools for image generation, app building, and automated workflows that often go unnoticed. To see how these work together, we're going to take a messy folder of raw study notes and transform them into a fully designed, coded, and marketed application called Study Helper. Before we start plugging things in, make sure to like, subscribe, and save this video so you can reference this specific 7-tool stack for your own projects. Shipping a no-code project requires treating individual apps as connectors in a larger data pipeline, where the output of one tool becomes the foundation for the next. Every app begins with unstructured information. Before we can generate interfaces or write logic, we have to organize our scattered study materials into a format that AI tools can process. NotebookLM handles this initial step. By uploading your documents and links, it generates structured summaries, reports, and even AI-hosted audio overviews to help you digest the material. We then move those summaries into Gemini Canvas. This tool takes the raw text and converts it into interactive quizzes while sketching out the initial wireframes for our app's layout. Once the layout is set, we pass it to Stitch. By describing the desired look in a single prompt, Stitch translates those basic sketches into a polished, high-fidelity user interface. In this phase, Canvas acts as the architect by mapping out where the content lives, while Stitch functions as the designer to execute the final visual aesthetic. This rapid prototyping cycle lets you lock in the user experience visually before you commit any time to building the underlying logic or backend. Now that the app looks professional, we need to build the mechanics that make the buttons and features actually work. For background automations, we use Opal. It's a Node AI builder that translates plain English instructions into a visual workflow, allowing you to build complex logic without writing code. For the core architecture, we use Build in Google AI Studio. This tool uses Gemini to write the structural code for either a web-based or Android application. If you wanted your study helper to automatically email a quiz reminder every Friday, which tool should handle that specific task, Opal or AI Studio? Opal is the correct choice. You use Opal for isolated repeating automations, while AI Studio handles the overarching framework that runs the entire app. With the app functional, we need launch materials. Nano Banana Pro generates 4K visuals, turning text prompts into realistic posters and infographics to promote the new tool. Finally, Pomeli scans the finished app to learn its specific colors, fonts, and tone. It then uses that data to automatically generate on-brand social media posts and campaign ideas. This marketing phase creates the social presence required to attract an audience to your project. Drop a comment below with an app idea you want to build using this workflow. We've moved from raw notes to a functional, marketed application by passing data through a deliberate sequence of specialized tools. This entire production cycle, from the first summary to the final promotional asset, was completed by leveraging AI to handle the technical execution. NotebookLM for summaries, Canvas for structuring, Stitch for UI design, Opal for automation, AI Studio for architecture, Nano Banana Pro for visuals, and Pomeli for marketing. Using these tools in sequence allows creators to manage the entire development process, including design and backend logic, using only plain English descriptions. While the app is built and marketed, we still need a way to monetize it. In the next video, we'll connect this pipeline to an automated AI billing system to generate revenue. I'll see you there.